If you want to disable Gemini or Google Assistant on POCO C85, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Now in Settings, we can scroll down in here until you find Google. Now in Google Services, you want to switch to All Services in here, and then keep scrolling down until you find this option, Search Assistant and Voice. So let's select it. Then we want to go to Google Assistant. Let me actually go back because I have chosen Gemini by accident. So go to Google Assistant, and then in here we can scroll down a little bit. And if you actually use Gemini, then you want to go to the digital assistants from Google, and you want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. Now, if you already have Google Assistant, then of course you can skip this step. And then once you switch, you can keep scrolling down in order to find, well, you don't have to scroll down actually, you should be able to find the general, right, pretty much right after that. And we can tap on this Google Assistant option in order to turn it off. There we go. And that is pretty much it. However, you can also go back to the main page of settings and then choose additional settings. And then in here, we should be able to find the gesture shortcuts. And after that, we can find the Launch Digital Assistant option, which by default is, of course, enabled. So if you don't want to activate the Digital Assistant by pressing and holding the power button, then of course you can turn this option off in here as well. Subscribe to my channel.